This question belongs to database management system subject and was asked in GATE CSE 2020. So the question states, consider relational table R that is in 3NF but not in BCNF. Which of the following statement is true? R has a non-trivial functional dependency x determines A where x is not a super key and A is not a prime attribute. R has a non-trivial functional dependency x determines A where x is not a super key and A is a non-prime attribute and x is not a proper subset of any key. X has a non-trivial function dependency x determines A where x is not a super key and A is a non-prime attribute and x is a proper subset of some key. D. A cell in R holds a set instead of an atomic value. So this is a question directly from the definitions of functional dependency. See. So we have four types of functional dependency: BCNF, 3NF, 2NF, 1NF. With BCNF being the most stricter one. Okay, so if we have a functional dependency x belonging to A, then it is in BCNF if x is super key. Okay, and it is in 3NF if x is super key or A is prime attribute. Now let us see. It is saying it is in 3NF but not in BCNF. Not in BCNF means x is not a super key. But it should be in BCNF, so this condition is false for all condition. So this must be true, which means A is prime attribute. So this option is R is a non-trivial function dependency, x determining A where x is not a super key and A is a prime attribute. So option A is correct. Let us see other options. R is a non-trivial function dependency, x determining A where x is not a super key, which is left is false, and A is a non-prime attribute, so right is also false. As both are false, so this is not a 3NF. And it is saying x is not a proper subset of any key. Okay, so this is our not. This is both are false, so it is not a 3NF. So option B is false. Then it has R is a non-trivial function dependency, x determining A where x is not a super key and A is a non-prime attribute and x is a proper subset of something. Okay, so x is not a super key, it is not BCNF. Now if for 2NF there should be no partial dependency. Partial dependency means proper subset of candidate key closure determines a non-prime attribute. Here it is given x is a proper subset of some key and it determines a non-prime attribute A. So it is basically not a, it is a partial dependency and is not in 2NF. So this is not even 2NF. So it can't be 3NF. A is a cell holds a set instead of an atomic value. So it is a multi-valued attribute. A multi-valued attribute can't be in 1NF. So it is not even in 1NF. So it is not even in 1NF, not even in 2NF. This is not in 3NF. And correct answer is our option A.